thought it was a really amazing event. It was a great opportunity to learn some skills which I think are going to be super important for us, notably for those looking at gap years or even in the future. I thought overall it was very professionalizing and helped us learn a lot of skills which I think will be useful.
I really appreciated HEC Talent Days because it gets me prepared well for the career foods, and right now I'm very confident about all the recruitment process that I will be undergoing.
I really like the networking workshop because I think this is something that we are told is super important. We're always told you need to network, you need to build your network, but we never get the chance to actually, learn the skills and learn how to do it. And so by breaking it down, by making a methodology of what we're supposed to do, how to contact people on LinkedIn, I thought, okay, this is something which I will really be able to use.
The workshop I really appreciated was the one about the resumes, because we were given many tips how to customize our profile in order to be to match well all the applications that will be offered by the companies attending the career foods.
I think this is an opportunity that they should not miss. A lot of students tend to dismiss it because it's not graded or it's just something that we're encouraged to do, but it's really a positive experience, and I feel like I've learned a lot of skills which I think if they get this opportunity as well will for sure serve them in the future.
Highly recommend the event because they will be given many tips, the necessary tips to customize their profile so they can get the internship they want in the gap here.